I'm going to check out this Bergan Auto Harness to see if and how hard this is to fit you, Gizzy. So open it up. This is probably the tether strap, I'm guessing. Got my instructions. Put your feet in just like it says. There. Alright. It's only 26 pounds, and this one goes from 25 up to 50. But I was scared to get her the smaller one. You see what I'm doing here? I'm just trying to adjust it. I'm pulling down and around. And it looks like I pull up here and to tighten. I need to adjust that, loosen it up, and pull it over a little bit this way. It's not hard to adjust. It's there we go. Let's straighten up there. Probably easier than a bicycle helmet. This lifts up, and then I'm going to pull these through here. And then the little anchor thing is going to hook into this. So it says I should be able to get 2 fingers in, which I can.